In this brief video, I'm going to present how to partition a hard drive on your Windows 10 computer. Whether our hard drive is internal or external, it must be connected to a computer. We are going to start by typing format in the search bar. Here it will show create and format hard disk partitions as the best possible option. So I will click open. Here let's just say I want to break my current C drive, which is of 199.38 gigabytes. In order to partition this drive, I will right click on it and select shrink volume. This is going to take some time. Now enter the amount you want this new drive to be. Make sure you don't take too much from the main drive unless you want it. The volume of the new drive created here can't be bigger than the size available. So I will enter 1024 megabytes here, keeping in mind this is megabytes here. So 1024 megabytes will be equal to 1 gigabyte. And now I'm going to select shrink. Okay, so now we can see we have unallocated space here. So now I'm going to right click on this and I will select new simple volume. The new simple volume wizard will launch here. Click on next. Next, enter the size you want this new volume to be, but it can't be bigger than the size of the unallocated space we created earlier. I would keep the simple volume size same as the maximum disk space available. Now we can click on next. You can now assign whatever drive letter you want as long as it's not already in use. So here I will select X. Now click on next. We can name the drive whatever we want. I'm just going to name it as SSL Lab. Make sure that perform a quick format option is selected. Now we will click on next. Now we click on finish. Now we see a notification here which shows that our new drive has been recognized by this computer. We can also check it here. See, our new drive has been allocated here. Also delete this X drive we made by partitioning our C drive. We will go back to the disk management and right click on the SSL lab drive. Click on delete volume. Click on yes. And now we will get back our unallocated space. Now to give back the space to our C drive, we will right click on C drive and click on extend volume. Click on next. By default, our selected disk 0 selected, which was our unallocated space. Now we will click on next. Click on finish. And now our 199.38 GB memory is back and there is no unallocated space. So let's hope this video might be helpful for you and thanks for watching.